We have question, let the complex number z is equal to x plus iy be such that 2z minus 3i divided by 2z plus I is purely imaginary. If x plus y square is equal to 0, then we have to find y to the power 4 plus y square minus y is equal to. So we have to find the value of y to the power 4 plus y square minus y, and we have four options: 3 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 4 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. So let's see what we can do in this question. First we have z is equal to x plus iy given. So we'll write it down. Now the equation we have is 2z minus 3i divided by 2z plus I. So we will, what we will do, in the place of z we will put the value of z is equal to x plus iy in this. So we will get 2x plus iy and minus 3i divided by 2x plus iy and plus I. So in place of that, I have put x plus iy. Now we will solve. After solving, we will get 2x plus 2iy minus 3i divided by 2x plus 2iy plus 2i. Now we can see that we have two types of terms, that is the term with I and the term which do not have I. So the term with I is called the imaginary part and the term which do not have I is called the real part. So we will separate the real part and the imaginary part in this. So once we separate the real part and the imaginary part, we will get I, we will take I common and we will get 2y minus 3 divided by 2x plus, in this also we can take I as common, or else we can, okay, so here it will be only I plus 2x plus 2, okay, here only it will be I, so we will get here 2y plus 1, right? So now it is mentioned that this term 2z minus 3i divided by 2z plus I is purely imaginary. So the real part is 0 because it is mentioned in the question that it is purely imaginary. So what to note down, that the real part of this is 2z minus 3i divided by 2z plus I is 0. Now up to this term, what we can do from here onwards, we can rationalize it, and in the process of rationalization we know that we change the sign of the denominator and multiply the numerator and the denominator part. So when we change the sign, we can write it down 2y minus 3 divided by 2x plus I, 2y plus 1, and this will be multiplied by, we will change the sign of the denominator, so this will be multiplied by 2x I 2y plus 1 divided by 2x minus I 2y plus 1. Okay, so this we can term as the real part as 0. Now the real part, how we can get the real part? When we multiply the 2x into 2x, this will be the real part, 4x square. Also, when we will multiply the first term with the second term of this, we will get the imaginary part because I is there, so we don't have to multiply it. Next, we will multiply the second part of this to this, so we will get the imaginary part again because I is there, so we will get the imaginary part. But when we multiply I into I, this part and this part, we will get I into I, that is I square, and we know that the I square value is minus 1. So this minus and the minus 1 value will become plus 1. And we will left out with 2y minus 3 multiplied by 2y plus 1. Also, whatever we will get in the multiplication of the denominator part, we don't have to write, because once we will equate it to 0, we will take all the denominator part to right hand side and that will become 0. So we have to only multiply this part and we have to equate it to real part to 0 because it is mentioned that it is a purely imaginary. Now we can solve it. 4x square plus 2y into 2y is 4y square plus 2y minus 6y and minus 3. Right? We got 4x square plus 4y square plus 2y and minus 6y minus 3. Here you can write it plus 2y and minus 6y is minus 4y. So we can again write it as 4x square plus 4y square plus, no, it will be minus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. Right? Also, one more equation is there where it is mentioned that x plus y square is equal to 0. So, if we take the y square to the right hand side, we will get x is equal to minus of y square. And that x is equal to minus of y square we can put in this equation. So, in place of x, I am writing minus y square. So, I will write minus y square whole square plus 4y square minus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. Right? Minus y square whole square, we will get it as a positive term and we will get 4y to the power 4. Next we will get 4y square. Next we will get 4 minus 4y and this will become is equal to 3. Now we will see that what we have to find. We have to find y to the power 4 plus 4y square. No, y to the power 4 plus y square minus y. So if we divide the whole equation by 4, what we will left out? We will left out with y to the power 4 plus y square minus y is equal to 3 by 4. So this will be the whole equation when we divide the whole equation by 4. So what we got? Y to the power 4 plus y square minus y is equal to 3 by 4. And I think the option number D is mentioned that 3 by 4 will be the final answer.